Welcome. Today, we're diving into the best settings for your Samsung Galaxy Buds, focusing on both sound quality and battery life. Whether you have the Buds 3 or the newer Buds 4, these tips will help you get the most out of your earbuds. The Samsung Galaxy Wearable app offers many features, and we will explore the top options. Let's start with sound. Open the Galaxy Wearable app and navigate to the equalizer settings. Here, you can fine-tune the audio to your liking. The app includes presets like bass boost, treble boost, and genre-specific options like rock and pop. Experiment to find what sounds best for your ears and the content you're listening to. Remember psychoacoustics. Your ears perceive frequencies differently, so trust your ears. Active noise cancellation, or ANC, is a key feature in the Galaxy Buds 4 that helps create a peaceful listening experience by reducing unwanted ambient sounds. The buds use built-in microphones to detect external noise and generate sound waves that cancel it out, effectively blocking distractions. ANC can reduce ambient noise by up to 40 decibels, significantly lowering background sounds like traffic, conversations, or office noise. You can adjust the intensity through the Galaxy Wearable app, choosing between high, low, or off modes depending on your environment and preference. For situations where you need to stay aware of your surroundings, such as walking outdoors or during conversations, ambient sound mode allows external audio to pass through. Some Galaxy Buds models feature adaptive ANC, which automatically adjusts the noise cancellation level based on your current activity and environmental conditions. Spatial audio, also known as 360 audio, creates an immersive 3D soundscape that surrounds you completely. Powered by technologies like Dolby Atmos or Samsung's proprietary system, spatial audio simulates sounds coming from every direction. This immersive experience is particularly great for movies and podcasts, making the audio feel more lifelike and engaging. However, spatial audio requires more processing power and can drain your battery faster than standard audio modes. Now let's maximize battery life. The Galaxy Wearable app has battery optimization settings. Smart Battery Mode learns your usage patterns and extends battery life by up to 20% in low-power scenarios. Disable features like ANC when not needed to conserve energy. Don't let your battery fully discharge, as this degrades its life expectancy. For reference, Galaxy Buds 3 offers 5 to 8 hours of playtime, while Buds 4 provides 6 to 10 hours, depending on ANC usage. Adaptive modes help your Galaxy Buds work smarter with your daily routine. Start with Adaptive Sound Mode, which automatically adjusts noise cancellation based on your activity like walking or exercising. Another simple tip is to lower the volume. This directly reduces power consumption while maintaining clear audio. Keep your Buds firmware up to date through the Galaxy Wearable app. Updates often include battery efficiency improvements that extend playback time. While quick charging is convenient, avoid leaving your case plugged in after it's fully charged. Overcharging can reduce battery lifespan over time. Let's look at some real-world examples. Tech reviewers praise Samsung's app for its granular control over sound settings, allowing precise adjustments that rival professional audio tools. A Reddit user extended their Buds 3 battery life from 5 to 8 hours by enabling Adaptive Sound Mode, which automatically adjusts noise cancellation based on surroundings. Experts recommend starting with the balanced EQ preset and tweaking bass by +2 to 3 decibels for most users, backed by psychoacoustic research showing improved audio perception. Update the firmware often to benefit from Samsung AI optimizations that enhance battery management and sound quality through machine learning. Looking ahead, future trends in Galaxy Buds focus on advanced AI and sustainability. Expect deeper AI integration, where on-device machine learning analyzes your listening patterns to automatically suggest personalized equalizer adjustments and optimize audio settings. Sustainability is becoming a key priority, with newer Buds models incorporating recycled materials in their construction. The Galaxy Wearable app includes features that encourage eco-friendly usage, such as alerts to reduce battery waste. Watch for graphene-enhanced batteries in upcoming models, which could potentially double the battery life compared to current versions by improving energy efficiency and reducing heat. Wearable health features are expanding, with Galaxy AI enabling hearing health monitoring and adaptive audio that adjusts based on your wellness data, such as heart rate or environmental conditions. These innovative features can all be explored and customized within the Samsung Galaxy Wearable app, keeping your buds experience cutting edge and sustainable.